morning and welcome to this travel vlog starting from Arlanda. Well, is there any other way to start a morning? No, I don't think so. We are going to London, Leeds and Edinburgh. It's the UK tour with the new distributor for Elegance called SWEDISH. So I'm super excited about that. I've got some stuff here that I want to look at. I need to buy some more Elizabeth Arden lip thingies. Then have some breakfast and then just board the plane to Heathrow. Okay guys, so I just got to the hotel and the receptionist told me that apparently I got a free complimentary upgrade, so I got a bigger room and it is pretty big and it's pretty nice. So let's do the tour, shall we? So here's where you get in and here's a little tea snack corner. I guess we have something in here. Yeah, like a little fridge. Is this something? No, nothing in it. But anyways, the most important thing is that we got some tea stuff. And here is the bathroom. And look at the bathroom because there's a tub. I might need to take a bath later tonight. Would be nice. So it's a really large and spacious bathroom. Hello. And out here, welcome to my little workspace, and this is perfect because I need to work now. So I will sit here and then I have a large closet because I have so much clothes with me. Not. Here's a little lounge area and here's the TV and look at this bed. Can you just digest how big this is? I am going to drown in this bed, but it doesn't matter because I love it. I haven't tried it. I don't know how hard or soft it is, but it looks amazing anyway. And a huge mirror so I can check my outfits before I leave. So yeah, that's always good. But as you can see, it's a really nice room. I am very, very pleased, to say the least. Other from that, the flight went well and I took a cab over here. I was planning on taking the subway, but it was way too complicated. It was not really complicated, but I had to take the sub to Hammersmith and then walk like 30 minutes from there with all my bags and everything. And I just figured, no, cab, so much more worth it. But I am sweaty. I would like to take a shower right now, but I am so hungry and I need to eat something. So that is the first thing that I am going to do. The restaurant is on level 4. So we're gonna go there, have some lunch-ish. What is it? It's like 2:30 English time, so it's like 3:30 my time. And then later tonight, we're gonna have the dinner. So food, work, and then dinner. Yay. Okay, I have to show you this. This is actually pretty high tech. So I found this little guy at the desk over there. And I actually did my room service order through here. So I ordered a club sandwich with fries. So I'm gonna eat here instead, and that makes me so happy because I just want to stay here now and work and eat and relax before the dinner tonight. A lot of food things going on. That means that I can actually change clothes and just relax instead, and that makes me very, 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 very happy. My room service just came and oh my god, it's so good. I just tried one of the fries and it's amazing. Oh my god, I'm so hungry. Look at it. Look at it. It's a club sandwich with massive fries. I'm now going to have this, watch some TV, and then continue to work. Well, I didn't take a bath because I couldn't get the heat as hot as I wanted. So I just took a shower, but a long shower, and wash my hair and so on. So now I need to just dry my hair and maybe put some makeup on again. If there's one thing I really don't enjoy in life, and it sounds weird, but I hate putting on makeup. I think it's so boring. Alright then, so it's time for dinner, and this is my dinner look. Very 70s, and my hair is everywhere because I just washed it and I didn't want to put any products in here because I'm going to fix it tomorrow, but it will just have to be like that. Oh my god, it looks crazy. But anyways, more food. So I just got back from dinner and it was a lot of fun to meet the entire team. So with me, we are actually 10 people working this tour, and it's funny, you know, how organized this group is. And if you compare it to other travels that I've done, some travels have been more organized and some have not been organized at all. Some work trips you have to improvise and put out fires and like be on your tippy toes all the time, and it's like, okay, I don't have that product, we don't have that, okay, I'll have to improvise and make it work. And it's funny here, it's kind of like, well, Celina, are you right or left-handed? Because they're setting up my demo station, and it's so cute and it's funny, and I do appreciate it a lot. So it's gonna be fun to see the classroom tomorrow because they have been setting up like the entire day. So they're working really hard to make this like the best event they can make. So I'm really excited about that. Now I'm gonna sit here by the computer for just a couple of minutes and then going straight to bed. Tomorrow we are meeting up for breakfast at 8, so I definitely need to get some rest before tomorrow. And then tomorrow evening we're actually taking the train straight to Leeds. Excuse the freaking bad lighting, but it is what it is. Stick around because I'm gonna see you in like 2 seconds. But good night. Good morning. Hello. So I'm here getting my hair done, getting ready. I'm gonna show you what I had to do because they don't have any outlets in the bathroom, and the outlet right next to the big mirror doesn't work for some reason. So this is what I had to do. So I'm very happy that I brought my iPad because now this works as my mirror. Schedule for today is getting ready and then having breakfast at around 8, and then get over to Olympia, which is the place that we're gonna be, and at 9 I think I have an interview scheduled with Scratch magazine, and then the class starts at 10, and then we are going until 4 I think. And after that, me and Samantha is taking the train over to Leeds, and I will actually stay at her place there and then get ready for the same thing tomorrow. So that is what's gonna happen. I am so tired. Oh, not even funny how tired I am. These are those kind of moments when I really wish that I could have coffee in the mornings, but I can't because of my stomach. but I really wish for that. Anyways, I'm gonna continue with my hair and I'll see you in a bit.
Your attention, please. The show will be opening in 30 minutes.
That's okay. Celina, that's cool.
Yeah, I just said when I got in here, it's like, there's my face.
Just they've got the kit to share if they need anything. I'm sure I've seen lots of people who've got things. That's fab. That's hot. Thanks very much. We all ended up without realising we're all animal prints. You are. You're all. So,
That's all infinitely.
one day.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Love it. I feel it coming, you know. I'm
heart and soul into the products, and that you can feel 100% safe with everything he creates.
You're in safe hands, aren't you?
Yeah, exactly. So, because you never know, like when you are working with a brand that comes straight up from a factory, when you don't know the chemist, you don't know the factory. So you pretty much just randomly pick a couple of different colors that you like. You don't have to use the Shibuya collection, but I would recommend you to use some kind of buttercream because they're so thin and just very easy to work with. Keep your brush super flat, and then I'm just gonna go back and forth like this. This blend should be about 1/3 of the nail. So you have 1/3 So I just gonna wrap this up real quick because I'm so freaking tired. Right now I'm at Samantha's house in Leeds, so we took the train over. As you saw, we've just been chatting a little bit, and now I'm just gonna go straight to bed. So tomorrow, full schedule as today, and that's pretty much it. So I'm just gonna, as I said, wrap this up real quick now, and I guess I'm probably gonna do tomorrow as a new vlog, so it's gonna be two-day vlogs, I think. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media like Instagram and Facebook. You have everything up here somewhere, and that's it.